From online surveys to envelope stuffing, there are lots of popular get-rich-quick money-making ideas. But do they work? Not really. Could you make some money? Possibly. However, the reality is that there are genuine ways to make money online. Digital nomads are capitalizing on freelancing opportunities, while marketers are optimizing digital campaigns. Entrepreneurs are building their empires from their living rooms, armed with just a laptop and steady internet. Let's explore some of these legitimate avenues to earn online. But before that, if you have not liked the video, then please like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So let's start the video without any delay. Number 1. Become an influencer. Building a personal brand can also help you make money online. For example, soccer star Cristiano Ronaldo charges more than $2 million for a sponsored Instagram post. While it may seem like reality stars, singers, and athletes are the biggest influencers, keep in mind that even smaller scale influencers can make more money today than they did a few years back. To become an influencer, you need to build a healthy following. The best platforms to get started on Instagram and TikTok. Some of the biggest non-celebrity influencers often gain their first taste of exposure on these platforms. You might want to check out how to get more Instagram followers. If you want to build a big Instagram audience to make money as an influencer, you can charge for sponsored posts, add affiliate links in your bio, sell your photos, sell ads on your own podcast, make and sell merch, get paid to appear at events, and more. Number 2. Create an app. If you're not a developer, you're probably looking at this money-making idea and feeling a bit stuck. Fortunately, you can hire someone with programming skills to build an app for you. Sites like Toptal will connect you with plenty of app developers who are open to working with entrepreneurs to turn their vision into reality. All you have to do is come up with a unique app idea, identify the audience you want to target, and create a brand image for your product. The programmer you hire will take care of things on the development front. When it comes to making money with your app, your best bet will be to add it to Google Play and the App Store. And while it may seem counterintuitive, having a free app can help you make more than a paid app. With a free app, you can add ads or premium features to help you make money. Since the free app will attract a higher volume of people, it'll be easier for you to upsell them. Number 3. Become a Twitch streamer. While Twitch started as a gaming platform, it's quickly evolving to include other types of content nowadays. Twitch streaming is an increasingly popular way to make money online. To make money fast on Twitch, you'll need to grow your following. If you're consistent, streaming on this platform can help you build a sizable audience fast. You'll need to find a popular game or channel that isn't overly competitive so people can easily find your content. In order to get people to notice your streams, you'll need to have a consistent style for your channel. Is it going to be funny, educational, or entertaining? Choose your path and stick to it. There are 5 ways to monetize your Twitch channel: sell products, offer brand sponsorships, accept fan donations, offer subscriptions, run Twitch ads. As a Twitch streamer, you'll want to focus on tapping into all 5 monetization methods to ensure the highest financial gains. With the right strategy and hard work, you can make a lot of money hosting Twitch streams. So friends, in today's video, we have told you 3 such opportunities in which you can easily earn a minimum of $1,000 per month by applying your brain. So let's end today's video here, and if you like to watch such videos, so please like and subscribe the video.